In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit raw photos in Darktable. Before we start clicking around, let's clarify what a raw file is. A raw file is the unprocessed data straight from your camera's sensor. It often looks flat or dull at first, and that's completely normal. Think of it as a digital negative. It holds a lot of information, which gives you far more flexibility when you develop it in software like Darktable. Open Darktable and head to the Light Table view, which is your library and organizing space. Click Import, then navigate to the folder with your raw files and select the ones you want. You can bring in multiple photos at once. Don't worry, Darktable is non-destructive, so it won't overwrite your originals. It simply records your editing steps. Choose a photo to work on and double-click it to open the Darkroom view. This is where the actual editing happens. You'll see modules on the right that control different parts of the image. We'll build a clean, natural baseline using a few essential tools before considering any creative tweaks. Start with exposure. Use the exposure slider to set the overall brightness, paying attention to midtones where most detail lives. If highlights start to clip, pull back slightly, or use highlight reconstruction if needed. Keeping an eye on the histogram can help you avoid losing detail in shadows or highlights. Next, adjust color using white balance or the color calibration module. Aim to make neutrals look neutral. Grays should be gray, not blue or yellow. You can warm the image for a golden feel or cool it for a cleaner look, but start by making it look natural. Now refine contrast and dynamic range with a tone mapping approach. In Darktable, Filmic RGB and Sigmoid are the two main options. Filmic emulates how cameras and film handle highlights and shadows, gently compressing bright areas while preserving detail. Sigmoid is a simpler alternative that often gives a pleasing, punchy result with minimal fuss. Pick one, then fine-tune contrast so the image feels balanced without crushing shadows or blowing highlights. Tidy up your framing with crop and rotate, straighten horizons, remove distractions at the edges, and reinforce the composition. A subtle crop can make a big difference in how the photo reads. Finally, clean and refine detail with denoise and sharpen. Apply denoise just enough to smooth grain in the shadows without smearing texture. Then add a touch of sharpening to bring back crisp edges. Zoom to 100%, while doing this to judge the effect accurately. These core modules give you a solid, natural baseline. From here, you'll be ready for more creative edits in future sessions.